How to withdraw ETH from MetaMask to Binance. So first of all, after you open up now your Binance app like this, now go to asset and copy the Ethereum address. After you come to asset, go to deposit. From this section, now go ahead and tap on this ETH Ethereum. So from this option now, go and select the network. So for me, I will use Binance Smart Chain. After you select the network, now tap on this copy button. Now I'll copy the Ethereum network at the address. Now go back to your MetaMask. So after you open the MetaMask like this, after you log into your MetaMask app like this now, all you have to do now, you can tap on this Ethereum. After you open the ETH like this now, Ethereum, tap on this send button. Now paste in your address in this option. Now type in the address in this option now. Now here is my address. So now tap on this next button. Tap on this next button now. So from this option now, go and specify the amount you want to withdraw. I want to withdraw 0.5 of Ethereum. So now if I tap on this next button, now the Ethereum will be sent into my Binance account. That's it, guys.